Today our topic is open channel flow. First we have to know about the open channel. What is meant by open channel? An open channel is a passage which conveys water at atmospheric pressure under the influence of gravitational force. In other words, it is a conduit in which water flows with its surface in contact with the atmosphere. So here I mentioned simply open channel flow is a flow which has a free surface and flows due to gravity. So if you take this is free surface, here water flowing, there is no any restriction or any closed conduit, it is free surface, flows due to gravity. Okay, here only atmospheric pressure is applying, so that is comes under open channel flow. Pipes not flowing full also fall into this category of open channel flow. If you take the pipe, inside the pipe the water is not flowing fully, it is flowing off. This is also comes under the category of open channel. In open channels, the flow is driven by the slope of the channel rather than the pressure. Here we would consider mostly the slope. Okay, especially in the open channel flow we can see the different types of flows. First one is we have to know steady and unsteady flow, uniform and non-uniform flow, laminar and turbulent flow, subcritical, critical and supercritical flow. So first of all we have to know about the steady and unsteady flow. What is meant by steady flow? Simply, steady flow happens if the conditions flow rate, velocity, depth, etc. do not change with respect to time. The flow properties and fluid properties do not change with respect to time. If you take dou v by dou t, with respect to time is equal to 0. The flow is unsteady if the depth is changes with the time. The flow is unsteady if the depth is changes with time. So flow of the fluid with constant rate. Example, if you take the constant rate means mass flow rate, the discharge, this will become constant with respect to time. The flow properties never change with respect to the time. For example, if I am taking the discharge or velocity, if I am supposed to take 10 meters per second at 9 o'clock, morning 9 o'clock, that is the velocity. If I check the velocity after t2 time at 9:15 or 9:30 am, same velocity it will be continue, that is 10 meters per second. So if the if the fluid is flowing like that, that will be considered as a steady flow. Next one is unsteady flow. What is meant by unsteady flow? Unsteady is nothing but the flow properties and fluid properties also do change with respect to time. The flow properties and fluid properties do change with respect to the time. Here the dou v by dou t is not equal to 0, that is unsteady flow. Or flow properties, if you take any pressure or velocity or dynamic viscosity, whatever it is, or surface tension, all these things will be changed with respect to the time. With respect to the time. This is comes under unsteady flow. Okay, for example, for this unsteady flow is closing and opening of flow valves. Flow valves are comes under this unsteady flow. If you suddenly open the valve, that will becomes unsteady. Okay, that is the example. Next one is uniform flow. What is meant by uniform flow? Uniform flow is a type of flow in which the velocity of the fluid flow remains same at all locations. That is dv by ds or dou v by ds is equal to 0 in uniform flow. Okay, means the flow in which the velocity of the fluid flow remains same at all locations. Okay, so here S means space coordinate or location. S means space location or space coordinate. Okay, this will be same at every point. Next one is non-uniform flow. What is mean by non-uniform flow? The velocity varies from location to location. The velocity varies from location to location. So if you suppose to take some x point, the velocity is 10 meters per second. Some y point, the velocity may vary. It may increase or reduce. Okay, so that will be changed. The velocity will be changed with respect to the location. That will be comes under non-uniform flow. Okay, next one is gradually varied flow. In the non-uniform flow, we can see gradually varied flow. If the depth of the flow in a channel changes gradually over a length of the channel, that will be gradually varied flow. If you take the rapidly varied flow, means if the depth of the flow in a channel changes abruptly over a small length of a channel, that is rapidly varied flow. It is abruptly over a small length. It is a total length. Gradually varied flow comes under the total length category. It will be considered as a small length. Okay, so that is non-uniform flow. Next one is, here you can see in this picture the flow direction from left to right. This is uniform flow. Okay, so here you can see no disturbances, not changing the velocity. Here you can see the non-uniform flow. Okay, so this is the complete picture. You can see uniform flow. UF means uniform flow, GVF means gradually varying flow, RVF means rapidly varying flow. Here you are observing rapidly varying flow. Okay, slope suddenly changed. Here also gradually varied flow. Here the slope with respect to small length, that is total length, that is gradually varying flow. Uniform flow, here you can see uniform flow. Okay, so this is the picture.